Step 3. Basic Data Import. Import data from Excel spreadsheet. In order to speed up the marker creation process, you can use the data import function from different external formats. While having a marker set open, go to the Data Source tab in the ribbon. The Open Excel File option allows you to import data from a Microsoft Excel file. Once selected, you can set the import parameters in 3 consecutive steps in the Marker Import dialog box. First, select the Excel spreadsheet you want to import data from, and if required, set the column headers and other parameters. In the second step, you can filter and combine content in more complex scenarios. When performing simple import operations, you can skip this step and move to step 3. The third step involves attributing data columns from the file to the relevant marker properties. To use the values from the data file, drag the symbol of the selected column from the toolbox into the field corresponding to the marker properties. ProMark Creator also lets you set constant values for all of the imported markers by entering or selecting relevant values from the text field. Import data from CSV file. The Open CSV file option lets you import data from the comma-separated values data file or other text files. The software will automatically detect and apply the relevant column separator when importing the data. If the automatically selected value is not the value of your choice, you can manually edit it. The second and third steps are the same for all import operations. Import from the clipboard. The Open Text from Clipboard is the third option in the Data Source tab. In this feature, data does not have to be opened from an external file. You can copy data directly from any software to the clipboard and then paste it directly into the text box visible in the first dialog step. You can also adjust other parameters, such as column headers or the data separator, if it was not detected properly. The second and third steps are the same for all import operations. Import data from WinSign. Data import from WinSign on the Data Source tab allows you to import a marker set from projects created in previous versions of Partex software. Select the project file on the first screen, then the marker set that you want to import. ProMark Creator includes importing content and other marker visual properties.